Wider America and the Western world move with bombs to other countries. Let these powers be termed as Old World, and China with Russia New World. The New World headed by China is proceeding with other countries with mutual peace, beneficial technology, and mutual extract of minerals and resources. Examples can be quoted: CPAC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. This massive bilateral project is planned by the New World, not with the bombs. That is why Old World, which is always with bombs of threat, virtually, and with gunpowder, physically, dislikes such projects. Old World always conspires to revolt the regimes, creates havoc and anarchy in the region, as well as aggression coupled with wars. For the subject purpose, Old World doesn't want small countries which we may term Vital World, as are enriched with oil, minerals and manpower, and are located at important places geographically, like Pakistan, Iran and Israel, Ukraine. New World, mainly headed by China, moves with technology and science transfer with mutual peace. Old World and New World proceed with commercial values and on a corporate basis. Question arises: since centuries, why has Old World not learned progress with peace and maintaining relations with the Vital World on the basis of mutual equilibrium, preferring exploitation of the Vital World, which also includes India, Brazil and South Africa? It shows hegemony of exploiting classes in deep states of the Old World states, USA, UK, France etc., which shows exploitation of suppressed classes of the world. Under the circumstances, at maximum length, New World, moving with peace, will prevail in the end. Recent cooperation by Chinese defense technology with Pakistan and Iran against the aggression staged by India and Israel, internal conflict of the Vital World, has proved that New World proceeded in advance without war. The wars on Pakistan and Iran were staged indirectly, basically by the Old World. The Old World must understand, technology and AI will boost the New World at a so highest pedestal at the end of this century or in the next century that the Old World will have no other way but to bestow down. That stage will be built and raised by the New World without war. So, the Old World should come forward while amending its old harsh ways of shedding them down and living with peace with atomic Iran and well equipped with missiles with other countries of Vital World. Also, living with peaceful Israel tamed with no war treaty. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment and share.